let's quickly, हमारे साथ रहिए. Let's quickly cut across to BJP leader Anila Singh joining us for more details. Ms. Anila, what really that we see here is leaving us shocked. Time and again, instances of such crime coming to fore. The question is Uttar Pradesh safe for women, let alone the rest? Women aren't safe, and time and again, instances like this really raise those doubts.
Indeed, it is a shocking incident. But at the same time, I was listening what Mr. Akhilesh Pratap Singh ji was saying about Bharatiya Janata Party government in Uttar Pradesh. He has to do political bashing because he is in opposition. Even we used to do that. I do not want to debate on this point, but yes, whenever any such crime happens that is against women, that is very shocking and painful. Even in this incident, what we have been told by the family, that there was a person who was chasing her and passing lewd remarks, and
there was not one person, there were multiple people who were chasing her, making lewd remarks, driving past, riding past, following her. It appears that criminals in Uttar Pradesh more likely are so fearless, they're so unabashed that they have no fear of consequences.
I do not agree with you. I do not agree with you. I mean, it is. I do not want to debate on this, but I have to say this.
It's a matter for debate.
Allow me. You have asked me something. Allow me. At least give me 10 seconds to respond back. I am saying this, that if any complaint would have been registered in any of the police station and then police wouldn't have taken any action, then your question or the opposition raising question gets justified. This happened, and as the police officials, they are saying that one person has been arrested, and very soon the person who was chasing this girl will be arrested. Yet you cannot blame that the whole thing went wrong all because of the police force in Uttar Pradesh.
Clearly, it can't be blamed entirely on the police force, but we're looking at law and order really not up to mark in Uttar Pradesh, considering the heinous crimes that are taking place on almost a regular basis. And that's what's scary and chilling, that criminals there have absolutely no fear of consequences, and that's really worrisome. Many cases of such nature where women are being harassed, tortured, raped, murdered, coming to fore leaves us shell-shocked that even after the police's intervention, you still have cases cropping up in many areas across Uttar Pradesh. Is there a way that they can be deterred? That's exactly what the country is looking at. Thank you, Ms. Akila, for joining us for more details on that.